was scrolling through my feed, and wow, the advice on cough remedies for kids is all over the place. One article says to grab that over-the-counter syrup, while another warns it could be risky. So what's a mum to do? Turns out many common cough medicines aren't safe for little ones. They can cause side effects or even make things worse. Instead, I found some solid alternatives. Honey is a great option for kids over 1, just a spoonful can soothe that throat. And steam from a warm shower, it works wonders for congestion. So next time your kiddo has a cough, skip the questionable syrups and go for the natural remedies that actually help.